There are many website builders out there, but none of them can create Apple-style animations like Google's Antigravity just did in a couple of minutes. This scroll animation right here, the kind that you see on Apple's product pages where images transform as you scroll. So guys, I actually built that using my new method, and this works for any type of business, whether you're building for a perfume brand, a soda company, or a luxury chocolate shop. Look, I see it all the time. People jump into Antigravity, they describe what they want, and then they just expect perfection. But the scroll triggers just don't fire. The sequences are choppy, and it just feels so amateur. Building with Antigravity isn't just about prompting. It's about preparing your visual assets, structuring your prompts, and guiding the AI through the build process. Guys, once you fully understand this workflow, you can actually build premium websites with animations for any product or business that you want. And guys, there's a whole lot that's going to be happening in this video, so be sure to stay all the way until the end. But right now, let's hop over to the PC and let's start creating. Okay guys, so now that we are over to the PC, the first step that we need to do is our research. Okay guys, so if you just start prompting, then if you're doing that without actually knowing what a good product website actually looks like, then to be honest with you, you are just going to get generic results. And that is not what we want, okay? So what I'm going to do is guys, I'm going to look at some of the top chocolate and food brands that are currently online. And I'm going to be checking out Artisan Chocolate, Cadbury, and Red Bull. I think those are three of the best options to go with. So now guys, what I'm looking for is their color palettes and the animations that they use. So what I can see just off the bat is that they are using deep browns, gold accents, and also cream colors. So these are very elegant, it's a very premium feeling. And also what I'm trying to look at here is how they structure their websites, because I think that's super important for us going forward. So what kind of imagery are they using, how they position their text, what sections do they include in their website. We're going to use them as a reference in our next step. So now we know exactly what a good website looks like. Okay, so let's make our chocolate website even better than these, but use what they were doing in ours. Okay, so now guys, we are going to be opening up Antigravity. So I'm creating a new folder and I'm going to be calling it Premium Chocolate. Okay, so this is basically where our project will live. Okay, so now before we start building, I want to show you something that most people always skip, okay? So this is what separates amateur results from the professional ones. So we are actually going to set up custom rules in Antigravity agent. And this is then going to tell the AI exactly how you want it to behave every single time you prompt it. So I'm going to be clicking on the settings icon here in Antigravity, and now I'm going to go to agent settings and then to custom rules. So here's what I'm going to be adding. So the first rule, always use semantic HTML5 elements for better accessibility and SEO. And then the second rule is maintain consistent spacing using an 8-pixel grid system throughout the design. And then for the third rule, all animations should respect preferred reduce motion for accessibility. And then for the fourth rule, use CSS variables for all colors to enable easy theme switching. Now why does this matter, you may be asking? Well, it's basically because every time you prompt Antigravity from now on, it will follow these rules automatically. So we basically gave it the perfect guideline. So you don't have to keep reminding it. Your code will be cleaner, it will be more accessible and way easier to customize later on. So for the initial build prompt, let's build the foundation of our website. When you're prompting Antigravity, structure always matters. So you want to include what your business is, what aesthetic you're going for, and what colors you use, and also what sections you need. Antigravity agent and hitting generate. Okay, so now I want you guys to watch this. So Antigravity is now writing the code and it's building the structure, it's creating all the sections, and it's applying our custom rules, and it's styling everything for us. And there we go guys, in just a few minutes, we have our foundation website. So let me show you what we got. We've got our hero section with a placeholder, features, testimonials, and a CTA. The structure is super solid. The colors are on point and it's already looking professional. This is just the foundation. It's important to remember that, guys. So now we are going to make it incredible by adding that scroll animation hero section. So let's create the hero images. So the hero section is the most important part of any website. This is what people always see first, and it needs to be scroll stopping. People need to know that once they are on here, they don't want to go anywhere else. So I'm going to create a custom animated hero that will replace that placeholder. And I'm going to be opening Google Whisk. Okay, so here's the prompt that I'm going to be using. Elegant premium chocolate bar wrapped in gold foil, dark background, studio lighting, high defin resolution, and I'm also going to be uploading one of those reference screenshots that we saved earlier on. This helps Whisk understand the exact aesthetic that we are going for. So I want you guys to take a look at these now. This one right here, take a look at this. This is perfect. The gold foil looks premium. The lighting is dramatic. And also, this just screams luxury. This screams scroll stopping. This will be our first image. So now we have to go over to the second image. So this is what the animation is going to transition to. So back to Google Whisk, and now I'm crafting a new prompt. So premium chocolate bar, exploding cocoa powder everywhere. Chocolate pieces flying, ingredients visible. Dramatic, chaotic, and beautiful. So I'm keeping the same reference image so that it all stays consistent. And we want it to look like the same chocolate bar, just completely in a different state now. Okay, so now we are going to generate it. And there we go, guys. Now it's done. So take a look at this. We've now got the chocolate bar exploding, cocoa powder flying everywhere, and you can see the ingredients. It's theatric. It's still elegant though, but it is also much better. So let me show you both images side by side. Okay, so the first image, elegant and wrapped. The second image is explosive and dynamic. So these two images are about to become an incredible scroll animation, and I'm going to show you guys how. So now guys, now comes the fun part. So we're actually going to turn those two static images into a smooth animation. Okay, so we're going to be opening up Google Flow. So I'm uploading our first image here and our second image over here. So now I need to write the transition prompt that will tell Flow how to animate between those two images. Here's what I'm thinking. Okay, so this is what I'm going to write. Smooth cinematic transition showing chocolate underwing and exploding with ingredients. And there, it's done now guys. So let's take a look at it. So the chocolate, as you can see guys, it literally comes to life. The wrapper peels back, the chocolate explodes, ingredients flying everywhere. And this is exactly what we want. This is the kind of thing that is going to catch someone's attention immediately. So now anti-gravity doesn't work with video files, okay? So what it does is it works with image sequences. So we need to convert this video into individual frames. So guys, I'm downloading the video from Flow first. And now I'm going to iloveimg.com. And this is a free tool guys, you guys can check it out. And it's just basically going to make everything so easy for us. So I'm clicking on video to JPEG and I'm uploading our animation. So this tool automatically extracts every frame from the video and converts them into individual JPEG images. So now I'm downloading the zip file with all of the frames. So let me extract this. So there we go guys, we've actually got a folder full of sequential images. Each one captures a moment in our chocolate animation. These images are what anti-gravity will use to create the scroll effect for us. Okay guys, so now I'm going back to anti-gravity and I need to upload all of those images that we just got. So I'm going to upload all of those frames directly into anti-gravity's workspace in an images folder. So here you can see them uploading now guys, and anti-gravity is now processing these and understanding that these are sequential images. So now I'm going to prompt anti-gravity to replace our basic hero section with this animated one that we just created. And guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit generate and I want you to watch this. Okay, anti-gravity is now integrating our animation frames for us. It's setting up the scroll trigger and it's rebuilding the entire hero section for us. And guys, take a look at this here guys. As we scale, the chocolate animation plays. It's smooth, it's cinematic, it's professional. And this is what separates a basic website from the type of website that actually converts. And guys, our website looks good. And guys, now it's time for all of the final touches. Okay, so I'm prompting anti-gravity to add more detail to the feature section. So highlighting what makes this chocolate so special. So it's handcrafted in small batches, it's ethically sourced cacao, and it's pure indulgence. Okay, adding testimonials for social proof. Now guys, I'm going to be adjusting the animations. The hero animation is playing just a little bit too fast. So I'm going to be prompting it to slow down so that people can really appreciate what they're seeing. Okay, so now I'm also defining the typography. And now guys, let's let anti-gravity do its magic. Okay, here we go guys. And there you have it. A professional website that we just built in less than 15 minutes, guys. And it looks beautiful. The animation works, the typography is amazing, and everything is perfectly aligned. And it's literally this easy. And there you have it, guys. Here's the thing. This process works for any type of website that you want. Luxury products, SaaS applications, agency websites, portfolios. Once you understand how to wipe code, you can build anything that you can think of. So guys, thanks for watching. It's been a whole lot of fun, and I will catch you on the next one.